What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel! So today it's already freaking July 31st, so I thought I'd wrap up the month with a July favorites. So we're gonna do makeup, skincare, home, and habits. So if you're interested, keep watching. Alright, so to start off with makeup, I've actually been doing my own eyelash extensions, if you can see. So yes, I have a video, I'll pop it up here for you, but I just wanted to show you guys, this was the kit I got. I mean, it looks like a coyote got into it, but $10.99 at Rite Aid. So I basically just used the glue because the lash extensions they put in here, they're good, but I like them a little bit more full. So I just went and picked up two more different Ardell ones. These are the 3D individual. They're like super like natural looking. And then I got more of like a perfect lash, which just means that like they're very symmetrical and stuff like that. So this one actually has like a bar at the top instead of meeting at a point, so it's really easy to slide onto your eyelashes. And these are the Faux Mink Individual from Ardell. They are short, medium, and long. So yeah, I'm absolutely loving that. It just feels like a little bit, you know, like a special day when you got some eyelashes on. So that is the first part. So the second makeup product that I have that I'm loving is the Dermablend. This is the Blurring Mousse Camo Oil-Free Foundation with 25 SPF. Titanium dioxide, so it is a physical sunscreen. I actually got a backup of it. Now I got this stuff at Planet Beauty on clearance for like 10 bucks. So I'm not sure if it's still there because it's almost like getting it at like Marshalls or TJ Maxx. It's like on the back end, you know? So those ones are fantastic. I really like that if I'm just need a little, or if I need some coverage with some sunscreen. Love that stuff. Then this one is not a new product, but I just took it out of my little makeup stash. This is the Fit Me foundation. It's matte and poreless. This is like $5, $6 at the drugstore. You can't beat it. And at Ulta, they usually do like a buy one, get one free with this. I'm $125 right now, but I have a bunch of colors. When I did some weddings and stuff, I just used this foundation. So I got like a whole range, but this stuff is fantastic. So if you're looking for a new cheap foundation, this one's good. All right, and then the final makeup product that I'm loving is the So Juicy by ColourPop. It is the lip gloss. This one is in Partly Rowdy. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing today, but this gloss is really nice. And I think this was like $5 maybe. So you can't beat that one as well. And that one I got at Ulta. So it's like the drugstore, but it's not necessarily drugstore because you can't get it at CVS, but it's like the drugstore section of Ulta. So, you know, whatever you want to call it. Love that stuff too. Okay, so now we're gonna move into skincare. So for my skincare that I've been loving has been this Murad Vita C Glycolic Brightening Serum. Absolutely loving this product. I'm almost halfway done with it. And it's really good, just combines vitamin C and glycolic acid, so it's really good for like hyperpigmentation. You're giving your skin some antibiotics, oh my god, some antioxidants, so that's really good. The next one is going to be the hyaluronic acid. Oh my goodness, I'm loving this stuff. So this is like $6, $7 at Ulta. It is hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5. So it's really good for moisturizing your face and keeping your face plump and all that good shit. So yeah, this one is definitely gonna be a staple in my skincare routine. Now, the next product, these are in no particular order too, there's just like grouping of stuff. This one is the Invisiscar treatment. I've been using this for over a month now and I'm really loving the way it's making my face look. I just feel like it's really helping with like those deep set acne scars. So I'm not through the bottle yet, but once I am, I'll do like a full complete review on that one. But for the month, I'm loving it. All right, now the next one. I don't know if y'all have shopped at Big Lots, but I went with my dad's girlfriend Apes yesterday for the first time. And damn bitch, this is so much fun there. These are $1. These are little retinol eye pads. So when I'm doing like a face mask or whatever, I'll put these on, but for a freaking $1. That's freaking awesome. So yeah, as you can see, El Stickor, the sticker's right there. So yeah, I'm really loving these ones as well. So yeah, love that stuff. Okay, so now that we've done that, we're gonna jump into moving to home. So a new product I've picked up because I've kind of wanted to do like some non-toxic products. This Method Antibacterial. First off, who doesn't love this damn color? That's my favorite color. And so I picked this up because there was no more like Clorox and stuff at Target. And then I looked in the shower section and boom, antibacterial, smells like spearmint. It's freaking amazing. So highly recommend this stuff. And it doesn't smell like chemicals, it smells like spearmint gum. So it's a win. All right, next product for home is going to be these organic tampons, feminine stuff. So I got these at Walmart for $6. They're basically a copy of like the Tampax, a little compact one like this, except they're 100% organic, they're BPA plastic free, and then they're free of synthetic fibers, fragrance dyes, and chlorine bleach. So I'm not crazy into non-toxic products, but I want to start incorporating more into my routine. So as I finish the products that I have, so I'm going to replace them with products that are better for my health and things like that. So yeah, this is the Lola brand organic tampons. Cool, cool, cool. All right, now besides that, there is another home thing. It is from Kaylee. I can't say her last name, but I'll put her little Instagram here. She's freaking awesome. If you're not following her on Instagram, you should be. And she has this almond flour cookie recipe, and it's so good. Like, I ate the whole thing before Ricky came home the other night. Sorry, babe, but they're that freaking good. So I'm gonna put that recipe here, and I'll link it below. So it's almond flour, there's no butter, you use 1 egg, and it uses coconut oil, like maple syrup, to give it like more of a sweeter taste. Oh, these are so good. So that's definitely something you should try while you're at home and improve your baking skills. All right, the next one. I think this habit is like, you know, like the 3rd stage of quarantine. The beginning was like panic and then anxiety, and now it's kind of like, it's still anxiety, I'll be honest with you. So I've just been taking my days 1 day at a time. Obviously, no one knows what's gonna happen in the future or when we're gonna be able to get back to work or back to school or anything like that. So to decrease my anxiety, I've just been going 1 day at a time. So yeah, that is going to conclude my July favorites of makeup, skincare, home, and habits. If you like this type of videos, please let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video.